Understanding the phrase, sand beach. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to another episode where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sand beach, a term that paints a picture of summer days, sunbathing, and building sandcastles. But there's more to this phrase than just holiday memories. Stay with us to find out what makes a sand beach special and how to use this phrase correctly in English. Let's get started. The phrase, sand beach, is made up of two words that are simple yet descriptive. Sand refers to the tiny particles of rocks and minerals found on the shore. Beach, on the other hand, is a stretch of land along the edge of a sea, lake, or river. When combined, these words describe a particular type of beach, one that is predominantly made up of sand as opposed to pebbles, rocks, or shingle. It's interesting to note that beaches come in many forms. While a sand beach is characterized by its soft, granular surface that's often golden or white in color, there are other types of beaches too. For instance, there are pebble beaches, rocky beaches, and even beaches with black sand made from volcanic minerals. When you say, sand beach, it specifically conjures images of those wide, open stretches where the ground feels soft underfoot. Now, let's see how to incorporate sand beach into sentences. We spent the day relaxing on a beautiful sand beach. The children enjoyed playing on the sand beach, building castles and digging holes. The hotel offers a private sand beach for guests to enjoy. Notice how the phrase, sand beach, acts as a descriptive noun, giving the listener a clear understanding of what kind of beach is being talked about. The phrase, sand beach, can also evoke cultural and geographic images. For example, when people talk about the beaches in Hawaii or the Caribbean, they're often referring to sand beaches with their picturesque and postcard-worthy views. It's also associated with leisure and vacation culture, as sand beaches are popular destinations for relaxation and entertainment. And that wraps up our journey through the sunny shores of the English language, exploring the phrase, sand beach. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this simple yet vivid term and how it brings to life the idyllic coastal landscapes. Until next time, keep learning and don't forget to pack your sunscreen when you head to a sand beach. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language content.